unboxing. And this is a Temu, I believe, or ALIExpress. I think it's ALIExpress. Okay. So I've been getting a lot of these because I just found out that ALIExpress had them. And this is how I check for them to see if they have any cracks. Usually when you buy washas, they could have cracks, especially if you're buying them from Temu. Like, you gotta really check. But even if you buy them from expensive stores, I've noticed that there could be some defects. But I've been getting a lot of these. This is a white stone. It's actually glass. Like, it's a stone, it's not plastic. So I really like this area because it really goes all the way down to the chin. All right, let's open. I don't have a big unboxing today. It's not that much. And these pink are beautiful, like this pink envelopes. This is a jade. So this is a stone, this is jade, and this is a mushroom. This is like almost in perfect condition. Like, it's really hard to find a stone that is like 100% perfect, but I have found them. If you are interested in that, I'll give you the brands. But this one does have like a little crack, so I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this one. I did get a rose quartz and it was in perfect condition, but this one I'm gonna be returning. Let's see what else we have. And this is another heart stone. I'm gonna be checking that for later because if not, this is gonna be a long video. I don't want that. Ya puedes poner la novela, ¿sabes ponerle? Oh, sí. Christmas. No es primero de mi cumpleaños. Mira. Pero esto es, seems like it's plastic. No es parece plastic. Lo bueno del Temu es que puedes return. Todo eso es bueno. Si no te gusta algo, le retorno. ¿Y dónde está el tuyo chiquito que te traje? Pero ¿y dónde está la parte chiquita? Le puedo pegar. Ya te digo que le traigas. ¿Qué no pegan los celulares? No pegan los celulares. Si pegan los celulares, ¿por qué no van a pegar? Las washa. This is like perfect. Este está bueno.
Papá, es que vos pareces de 30 o 29.
Ah, qué bueno.
Yo también digo sí. Porque ahora no tienes niña, ¿no?
Sí, esta arruga de aquí me quiere salir, por eso me hago esto. Esto me dio la Catina por lo de él. Este es el regalo que yo pedí. Es para... es de láser. El láser. Yo puse la cosa tuya que te dieron, el straightener, puse esto. Y este es del Hair Laser Removal de Amazon.
Dice tu papá, pero esta chica no avisar que aunque sea entre dos hubiéramos puesto para dar el...
Y te haces así.
para darle para que no esté tomando, digo, tomando. Ni oíste bien vos.
Hace años que no tomo.
Como que cuando
I'm very excited to try it.
cuando estabas en esa...
Estoy grabando. Estás contándole mi vida privada a todo el mundo. Ya, acá. Estas son las gafitas, ¿ves? Para que no te haga mal el láser. Esto todo costaba como de 50 era para arriba todo, ¿no? Y ya, solo eso tenía. Okay, I'm very excited to try all of this. And that's it for today. This is the Ice Cool handheld IPL hair removal device. So I think I'm just gonna keep this one and this one because this has no, it has nothing, it has no cracks. It's beautiful. This is my second time buying this. It's very pretty. And this is actually like not even stone. This is plastic, you guys. Like this would be great for like traveling because I do travel a lot, so I could use this. But then when I'm traveling, I don't even use anything because I'm so like busy, like just, you know, getting to know the place that I'm at. Sometimes I come back to the hotel, I'm tired, I don't even want to do nothing. So I've been trying to go to the gym because last time I went to Puerto Rico and I wanted to stay active. So I do miss working out if I'm like too much without it. So yeah, maybe I could bring this to like a trip or just, I don't know. I'll think about it. All right, have a wonderful day. God bless. Okay, so this one is an unboxing from ALIExpress. So I already opened this, and this is an ice roller. I put it in the freezer because it says here the roller can be effectively frozen in the freezer. Usually when you get the massages for the face, I think it's mostly the ice globes, you cannot put them in the freezer. You had to put them in the fridge. Yeah, and that's it. So let's try this one. I already tried it without being frozen and it felt amazing. Now these I got because, you know, Christmas coming, and these are like beautiful bags, like very fancy, to put some washas, any face massage tool. Right now I am crazy about massagers, face massagers. All right, so this seems very nice. The quality, it seems okay. It's not like that great, but it is what it is. The next one I have is this. Unfortunately, this is not being sold anymore because I saw it and I was like, wow, like this is great. I tried it on my face and I wanted to get another one, but not for me, just to give us presents, but it has been discontinued, you guys. So I like to always check the stones whenever I get my massagers. These stones seem to be perfect. And it does feel different from the other 3 heads that I've had in the past. So yeah, like, this is awesome. All right, let's keep opening it up. I guess that's it. But this is the video of me trying the items. All right, so I got it out of my freezer and this is how it comes. It's very cute. I just put it for like less than an hour. And it has this 2 heads. This actually feels pretty good on the face. Like, it feels amazing. And here it has 3 heads. So this is actually my first time buying an ice roller. I thought that this would be a little bit more smooth. It's very like plasticky, like you just feel like it's hard plastic, and I thought that it was gonna be smoother. But yeah, like it feels amazing. Like the texture, the shape is great. The shape of it is really, really roundy, really soft on the face. And I like actually both of them. This one feels better. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm really, really liking this. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more smoother, but yeah. And this is a travel electric steam iron. And the reason I got travel is because I just wanted something smaller. Every time I go to work, sometimes I want to wear something that is like wrinkly, and I don't want to, take out the whole, all the hassle of just ironing with that table and all of that. So not that little as I thought. Kind of big. I don't even know how to use this, but yeah, this is it. That's where you put it. And this, like, I don't know, I have to read, but yeah, this is the unboxing of this iron. Steamer iron. Okay, next I am unboxing this from Temu. So if you guys can see it there, I've noticed that these are very popular, and I decided to get them from Temu. I don't even know why. I just shop a lot there. And my wrinkles are usually on here, and I get the smile wrinkles. So I am just gonna cut a little bit. I've been using like band-aids, which is kind of funny because I've noticed that there's like wrinkles that come out, I notice that when I'm on my phone, I start wrinkling here. So yeah, I'm gonna put one right now, especially because this is my problem area. I do washa and I do roller on my face. Let's see, maybe there. Okay. All right. Of course, I'm not gonna be going out with this. All right, that's the unboxing for today. Hope you have a blessed day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on my next video.